Hello, good evening. Hello, Yundong. Wow. Hello, Yundong. Good evening. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear teacher? Hello, Yundong. Good evening and welcome again to our class. Oh, it's nice to see you again. How are you today, Yundong? Are you happy today? Happy? Yes, happy. Wow. That's very good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Ready? Y- Yes or no? Are you ready? Okay, Yundong. For our lesson for today, so we are still at the lesson 4, which is shapes. So now, let's review if you still remember those shapes that we had learned last time. So take a look at this shape, Yundong. What shape is this? What shape? What shape is that? It's a Very good. It's a circle. Good job. How about the next shape? What shape is this? It's a
Square.
Very good. It's a square. How about the third one? What shape is this? Hmm. It's a
Triangle.
Very good. It's a
Triangle.
triangle. Next. Okay, what shape is this? It's a rect.
Rectangle.
What shape? Rectangle. Wow, very good. It's a rectangle. So good job. So now, let's also review the sentence pattern that we had learned last time. So let's take a look at this first shape. Is it the square? This one? Yes or no? Is it the square?
Square. This
This one? This? Is this a square?
is done.
No, it isn't. Very good. No, it isn't. It is what is it? It is a cir circle.
Circle.
Very good. Very good. So how about this Yundong? Is it a square? Is it a square?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Ay,
Very good. How
this I
about
do.
this
This
one?
I do.
How about this one, Yundong? Is this a triangle or is it a triangle? Yes or no?
This I do.
Yes, I do. It's yes, it is.
This
Okay,
I
next.
do.
Yes, I do.
No, this I do.
How about this one? Is it the triangle? This one? Hmm. Is it a
Yes, I
triangle?
do.
Huh?
Yes, I
This
do.
is a this is a triangle? This one?
No, no.
No,
This is a,
no,
is
it
a,
isn't. Very good. What is it? It's
this is
a rec
rectangle.
rectangle. Very good. It's a rectangle. Wow, good job. So next, okay. So now let's have this activity. So we will look around the classroom and we will find shapes. So let's have here an example. So look, Yundong, it's a circle. How about this one? Look, circle. Very good. How the clock is? What shape is the clock? Sir, the clock
Circle.
is circle. Very good. How about this one? What shape is this? Or what shape is it? It's is it a square?
Square.
This one? This one, is it a square thing? This color blue. No, oh, yes, very good. Yes, it is. It is a circle. How about this one? What shape is this? Or what shape is it, Yundong? It's
The rectangle.
very good. It's a rectangle. And what is this? It's a tele,
Tele.
tele television.
TV. TV. TV.
Yes, very
TV.
good. It's a TV or television. How about this? This one. Ching. What shape is this? Is it a square? Is it a square? Yes or no? No.
No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. So
Isn't.
next. Is it a rectangle?
No, it
Is it a
isn't.
rectangle? Huh? This is not a rectangle. This
No,
one, is
it
it a
isn't.
rectangle? Yes. Yes. Yes, it.
I do.
Yes, it is. Yes, I do
Ah,
is yes, I do have different meaning. So yes, it
no, di
is.
mana?
How about this
Mani,
one?
mani,
This 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 little ruler. What shape is this? This shape. What shape is this? It's a
mango.
triangle. Very good. Good job. So it's a triangle. How about the door? What shape is it? What shape is the door? It's a
It's
it's
a triangle.
huh? Is the door triangle or rectangle? It's a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. How about this picture? What shape is this? Hmm. It's a what shape?
It's a triangle.
Square.
Huh?
This is a triangle? This is a triangle. This. It's a square. So this one
Square.
is a square. Very good. The picture itself is a square. So good job. So very good for this activity. So now let's move on to the next activity. So let's have first the first example here. So you know, look at
Kita may go
number
out.
4. Oh, okay, you may go out. Go faster. Hello, Lindan. Okay, let's wait for Yundong. Oh, hello, Yundong. Hello again. Okay, so let's have this activity, Yundong. So let's look at number 4. This one. Number 4. Is it a circle? Yes or
It
no?
circle.
No.
No, it is.
Very good. So no, it isn't. So good job. What shape is this? What shape is it? It's a it's a
Uh,
it's a
it
square.
square.
Very good. So it's a
Square.
square. Good job. Next. Okay, let's look at number one. This one. Do you know what fruit is this? You know what fruit is this? It's a water. It's a
It's
watermelon. So
watermelon.
very good. So it's a watermelon. So now, is it a triangle? Is the watermelon triangle? Yes or no? Is it a
No,
triangle? Huh? It's not
no,
triangle? No.
no.
The triangle is shapes like this. It's not a triangle? Are you sure? Yes or no? So yes, it is. So it shapes like triangle. So yes. So yes, it is. It's a triangle.
Yes,
Yes, very
yes,
good. Yes.
yes.
Okay. So next, let's move on to number 3. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this one. What shape is this? It's
Huh?
this one. What shape
This
is this?
triangle.
Is it a triangle?
Square.
It's a rectangle. It's a
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. So it's a rectangle. Is it a square? Yes or no? Is it a square? Is it a
Yes.
square? No. No, it isn't.
No,
Yes,
it
very good.
isn't.
No, it isn't. It's a rectangle. How about this one? Number 2, Yundong. Do you know what is this? It's a, what is that? It's a ball.
Oh,
It's a ball.
circle,
Now,
circle, circle.
very good. It's a circle. Good job. Is it a triangle? Is the ball triangle? Yes, no.
No,
No, it
isn't.
isn't. Very good. So good job. Good job. So perfect. So good job, Yunong. So I can see that you really know or remember how to use yes, it is, and no, it isn't. So this will be the end of our lesson 4. So now let's go
Ah,
with, yes, let's go with our next lesson. Let me just open the next lesson. Hmm, where is it? So next lesson is another lesson.
sun.
That is a sun. Very good. Wow, good job. It is a sun. Okay. So now can you see the new lesson? Can you see it? Yes, yes, art class. Ching. Okay, let me just open. Ching. This is our new lesson, Yundong. So we are on the unit 2, which is art class. Let's say art class.
Press.
Okay, very good. This is our unit 2. But for our lesson today, we will talk about
One
art.
plus
Art.
one.
What is lesson 1? Art.
Lesson one. Art supplies.
Art
Art
supplies.
supply.
One more
Supply.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say art supplies.
Art supplies.
Very good.
Supplies.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
So that will be our lesson for today. So when we say art supplies, okay. So when we say art supplies, yun dong. So these are the things that we use to make arts. Okay? Okay. So now let's listen to an audio here and let's read those after. So let me just open the sound.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Can you hear the sound?
Page 12. Unit
Page 12.
2. Art class.
Unit
Lesson
2.
1. Art supplies.
Okay,
A.
let's first listen.
Listen, point, and say. 1,
Paint,
2,
Paint.
paper,
3,
Paper,
Paper.
chalk,
chalk,
4,
yarn,
yarn,
5,
Yard.
glue,
glue,
6,
Blue.
tape,
tape.
Pen.
Okay, very good. So that is for our art supplies. So now let's read this again. Let's read the art supplies. Let's go with the first one. This is paint.
Huh? It's a
This
pen.
is paint. Very good. It's a paint. How about this one? It's a paper.
It's paper.
Very good. Next, it's a chalk.
Chalk.
Very good. One more time. Let's say chalk.
Chalk.
Perfect. Very good. Next is yarn.
Yarn.
Very good. Next is glue.
Glue.
Next is tape.
Tape.
Okay, one more time. Let's say tape. Pa, pa,
Tape.
tape. Tape.
Tape.
Tape. Tape.
Tape.
Okay, very good. So now let's learn more about of these art supplies. Okay. So let's go with this one. What art supply is this? It's a pa pa paint.
Pen.
Paint. Very good. It's color. What color is the paint? What color? Red. Very good. It's color red. So when we say paint, it is what we use to color things. Yes, so we use paint to color things or those things that we draw on a paper. So that is a paint. So now, Yundong, teacher will ask you a question. What is your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color, Yundong? Do you like color red? Yes or no? Do you like red? Oh,
Orange.
oh, your favorite color is orange? Wow. Okay, let's say my favorite my favorite color my favorite color is orange.
Orange.
Okay, very orange. Very good. So that is a paint. So that is what we use to color the things that we draw. So next, let's take a look at our next art supply. What art supply is this? It's a
It's a paper.
Very good. It's a paper. So let's look at the picture of the papers here. What colors? Very good. What colors can you see on the papers? Let's go with this color. What color is this? It's color
Green.
green. Very good. How about this one? The next color. What color is this?
Ah,
It's color
red.
red. Very good. How about the third paper? Very good. Wow, you know how to write. How about the color or the next color? Yellow. Very good. How about the last color of the paper? What color is this? Starts with letter B. Its color b b blue. What color?
Blue. Blue.
Blue. Very
Low.
good. Okay, very good. So when blue, this one, blue. Okay, so when we say paper, so paper is what we use to write, draw, or cut. Okay, so for example, this one, teacher here has a paper. Ching. This one is a paper. Can you see that? This one is a paper. So this is what we use to write things, especially at school. So we have a paper for us to write the things that we learn at school. Okay. So especially when we have a notebook. So a paper, it is inside the notebook. Okay, so that is a paper. So paper can have different colors like this. It has color green, red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so next, what art supply is this, Yundong? What art supply? Or they are chalk. V- Okay, so what are these? It's they are or these are chalk. Okay, very good. That is the spelling of blue. Okay, so let's say chalk, 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 chalk. What is this? Do you know what? Okay, very good. So what is that? How can you read that word? It's a chalk. Very good. It's a chalk. So a chalk is what we use to write on the blackboard. Yes. Orange. Wow, very good. So there is color. There is your favorite color, which is orange. Yes. Okay. How about this one, Yundong? What color is this?
Oh.
This one. Ching. What color? It's color pink or red?
Pink.
It's color pink. Very good. It's color pink. How about this? This one. Ting. What color is this? It starts with letter P. Pa, pa. What color? It's color purple.
Purple.
Very good. It's color purple. So yes, so that is the chalk, or these are chalks. It is what we use to write on the blackboard. So a blackboard it is what we see at school. So this one, blackboard. Ching, let's have a picture of a blackboard. Yes. This one. Janine, can you see this one? This is a blackboard. Ching. Do you have this at school, Yundong? Do you have a blackboard at school? Yes or no? Ha? Do you have a blackboard? Ha pa? Oh, yes or no? Okay. S- No? Okay. So this is a blackboard. So this is what we use or where we can write or where we can use chalk. So this is or these are white chalks. Okay? So this is the paper of the chalk. Okay. Let's move on to our next art supply. Okay, let's say this is what art supply is this? You know? It's a what is that? It's a yarn starts with letter Y.
Yeah.
Yarn. Very good. And what is the color of the yarn, Yundong? What is
Blue.
the color? It's color blue. Very good. So when we say yarn, it is a long and soft string. It is what we use for knitting or crochet thing. So when we say crochet, so it is what other people do or they make things out of yarn. Okay, so this is a yarn. So we usually use it for knitting things or crochet thing. Okay, so next, this one. What art supply is this? It's the it's the glue. What art supply? It's a glue. Let's say glue. G g glue. Okay, so this one is a glue. Glue. Okay, so when we say glue, so it is what we use. It is what we use to a glue is what we use to join paper or object or to stick paper or objects together. For example, you are making an art. So you want to make a shape and for you to be able to make a shape, so you need to glue. Yes, use. Okay, so this is a glue. So I don't have here a glue. So my glue is missing. So this is a glue. So it is what we use to stick things to each other. So next, our last school supply, Yundong. What is this? It's a
It's
tape. It's very good. It's a tape. So can we say tape?
that.
T tape. Perfect. Very good. So now a tape color red. The tape is color red or the tape holder is color red. So a tape is like a glue. So we use a tape to hold paper or objects in place. Okay, so it is like a glue because it sticks papers or objects together. So this is a tape. So the difference is a tape, when you use a tape, so it can be or you can see the tape on the object. However, the glue, since it is liquid, so you cannot
See?
see it.
Shape.
So shape. Okay, so that is a tape. Okay, so that is all of our art supplies. So now, since it is already the time that the end of our lesson, so for next class, Yundong, so I want you to review this art supplies because we will review this art supplies in our next class. Okay, so next Sunday. Okay, so thank you very much, Yundong, for finishing our lesson Unit 1, Lesson 4. So, good job in completing Unit 1. Unit 1, and I hope you study this art supply, okay? So, see you
Touch it
again
down.
soon. Goodbye, Yundong, and see you again soon. Bye
Touch
bye.
it down. See you again.
Goodbye, see you again. Bye bye.